Good morning, students. Hope all of you are safe and fine. Today we are going to learn about computer mouse. Let us first know what is mouse. A mouse is a very important part of computer. We use it a lot while working on computer. A computer mouse is like a real mouse. It has a body and tail. The tail of the computer mouse is attached to the CPU. Look children, this is a computer mouse and the wire is known as the tail of the computer, which is used to attach the mouse with the computer. Now, what is the mouse? A mouse is a pointing device which is used to select items on the monitor. When we move the mouse, we can see a small white arrow moving on the screen. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. Now, Douglas Engelbart made the first mouse. It was made out of wood. Now we learn about the uses of mouse. A mouse has many uses. First, it is used to draw and color pictures. Second, it is used to select an item on the computer. Third, it is used to play games on the computer. Now we are going to discuss about mouse buttons. Mouse has generally 3 buttons: the left button, the right button and a small wheel in between. The wheel is known as a scroll wheel. Now look at this image. This is the image of a mouse with the label diagram. This is the left button. This one is the right one. And in center there is a scroll wheel and this is the mouse wire. Now we learn about how to hold a mouse. To hold a mouse, the following things need to be taken care of. First, place your palm on the mouse gently. Second, place your index finger on the left mouse button. Third, place your middle finger on the right mouse button. Look at the picture. This is the correct way to hold the mouse. Remember, while holding the mouse, hold the mouse gently. Put your index finger on the left mouse button and the middle finger on the right mouse button. Do you know nowadays we also have a wireless mouse which is without wire. Now let us learn about functions of mouse buttons. We can click a mouse button in different ways to perform different functions. Single click. Pressing the left mouse button once is called single click. It is used to select an item on the monitor. Look children, this image shows how to click the mouse once. This is also known as single click. Next is double click. Pressing the left mouse button twice or 2 times quickly is called double click. It is used to open an item. Look children, this is the image which shows how to click the mouse of a computer twice quickly. Next one is right click. Pressing the right mouse button once is called right click. On clicking right button, a drop down menu displays that shows all possible actions on the selected item. This is the image which shows the pressing of the right mouse button of the computer mouse. Next one is Dragging. Dragging means moving the object from one place on the screen to the other. We can drag an object on the screen with the help of mouse. Look at the picture. This image shows the dragging of mouse. That is moving any item on the screen from one place to another. Let us recap once again what we have learned about computer mouse. First, a computer mouse is a pointing device. Second, a mouse is used to move, point or select items on the monitor. Third, a mouse has three buttons, the left button, the right button and a small wheel in between. The wheel is known as a scroll wheel. Hope all of you understood about the computer mouse. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.